Hey guys, welcome to Lesson 5, Part 1. In this lesson, we're going to be doing activities A through H, and then we're going to do I through K on a separate video. So for Part A, this is our oral activity, which means all you need to be doing is listening at first and then blending. And so I'm going to say a word that is where I'll pause between each word part, and I want you to blend the full word into a word. So, for example, let's do disadvantage. Disadvantage, right? Personality. Personality. Unintentional. Unintentional. Powerfully. Powerfully. Conservation. Conservation. Adventurous. Adventurous. All right. Good job, guys. So now we are on to activity B. This row right here is our new vowel combinations. So we have the double E, which is E like in deep, O like in boat, ow like in loud. Okay, so E, O, ow. All right, so let's read these together, and then you'll pause the video and read this section on your own. So these are a review. A, oi, o, e, oi, ah, ow, a, oi, or, o, e, or, I, ah, So go ahead and pause the video now and read them on your own. Awesome. So now we are going to go to part C here. So vowel conversions for each of these, we're going to say the vowel sound and then we're going to say the vowel name. So for example, the sound here for E is name E. Sound a, name A. Sound name U. Sound I, name I. Sound name O. Okay, so for each of these, go ahead and pause the video and say the sound and the name. Good. Okay, guys, so for this part, we are reading parts of real words. So some of these actually are real words, but most of them are just parts of real words. And remember those new vowel combinations that we learned. So for example, the double E right here says E, so this is gree. The AI right here, that's A. Rail. The U and the E, so that makes the U say its name. So deuce. And then remember the star right here means they want the vowel to say its name. So that's fee. Okay? Go ahead and pause the video. Read the rest of these. You can choose to underline the vowel combinations or you can choose to just read them. All right, so I went ahead and underlined the vowel parts. Let's go ahead and read these together, and then I'll have you pause the video and read them by yourself. So we have gree, rail, deuce, fee, vent, plore, seed, treem, bound, teen, spect, board, cown, form, trode, ost. Awesome. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and now read it on your own. Great, so now let's go to part E. All right, guys, so for part E, we are underlining vowels in words. And so remember, there is one vowel sound per word part. So if a word has 2 vowel sounds, it has 2 word parts. That's how many parts you're splitting it into. If it has 3 vowel sounds, it has 3 word parts, okay? So let's do a couple together. So for this one, I see a vowel combination here and a vowel combination here. Means we have 2. So we need to split it into 2 word parts. Forlorn. Forlorn. Okay, let's do this one. So we have a vowel here, here, and here. Okay, so we have 3 vowel combination parts, and so we're going to have 3 word parts. So that is evergreen. Evergreen. Okay, let's do the same over here. Vowel combo. Got an E there. And another combination there. So we got 3 in this one. So we have northwestern. Northwestern. All right, go ahead and pause the video and do the rest on your own. So I went ahead and broke apart all the words, and then we can do them together. So let's go ahead and review the first line here. So forlorn, forlorn. Evergreen, evergreen. Northwestern, northwestern. Referee, referee. Freedom, freedom. Spellbound, spellbound. Canteen, canteen. Cardboard, cardboard. Counterpart, counterpart. Monorail, monorail. Remember, it has that star right there. Scapegoat, scapegoat. Greenhouse, greenhouse. Roadside, roadside. Starboard, starboard. Background, background. All right, activity F. So this is another oral activity, so you're listening to me. So for this one, I am going to pronounce words, but I'm intentionally mispronouncing them, and I'm giving you a sentence that they're in, and I want you to tell me the correct pronunciation of the word. So if I said ho-nest-e, and I said because ho-nest-e is important in a friendship, try to tell your friends the truth. And so the correct answer would be honesty. And so if I broke it apart, it sounds like honesty, but honesty is the right word. Okay, we're going to try again. Conservation. Our science unit on conservation, we learned how to save the rainforests. Conservation. Good job. All right. Next one. Department. We will shop at the department store. Department. Good. Elementary. Does your sister attend an elementary school? Elementary. Last one. Disturbance. The noise created a large disturbance in class. Disturbance. Good job. Okay, activity G. So we are still talking about prefixes and suffixes. We are focusing on prefixes, which are those word parts at the beginning of a word. The 2 we are looking at today are X, like in export, and N, like in enlist. Okay? So go ahead and read along with me, and we'll review the ones we've already worked on. Per, con, dis, a, pre, d, com, pro, n, ab, im, miss, ex, con, un, com, a, pre. Good. Nice job, guys. Okay, circling prefixes and suffixes. So in activity H, what I want you to do is I want you to circle the prefixes that you find. We have not done suffixes yet, so just prefixes. Not all words have prefixes, and some words have two. And then so also when you're doing this, so you'll circle your prefix, and then I want you to break it into word parts. So let me show you some examples here. So right here, this is a prefix, pro, and I know there's a vowel sound right there. So protest, okay? Prefix, this is one we just learned, ex. Here's a vowel combination right there. So exclude, okay? This one, misinform, has two prefixes, miss, in, vowel sound right there, misinform. All right, please go ahead and pause the video. Do this with the rest of the words, and then we will review. All right, guys, I went ahead and circled all the prefixes and broke it up into word parts so we could read it together. Let's review the first line. Protest, protest. Exclude, exclude. Misinform, misinform. Explore, explore. Prevent, prevent. Encounter, encounter. Return, return. Engrave, engrave. Reinstate, reinstate. Exceed, exceed. Restart, restart. Unaware, unaware. Regret, regret. Disagree, disagree. Comprehend, comprehend. Extreme, extreme. Employ, employ. No prefix there. Correspond, correspond. No prefix. Permit, permit. Destroy, destroy. Reproduce, reproduce. All right, nice job. Go ahead and practice those words and practice reading them on your own. And that is the end of part 1. Thanks.